In this video, I am going to show you how to test WordPress website for free using a staging platform. Are you curious about building a WordPress website but don't want to spend money on hosting or a domain? Are you curious about building a WordPress website but don't want to spend money on hosting or a domain? What if I show you that there is a way to try WordPress for free and test your ideas and even install different plugins and themes? In this video, I am going to show you how. Just make sure you stay with me to the very end. What is WordPress? WordPress is actually a platform that allows you to build websites using a no-code tool that is called CMS, Content Management System. And then this CMS that we are talking about is known as WordPress. We actually have many other CMS in the market there. We have Joomla, we have Drupal, and a whole lot of them. All right. And part of the reasons why many people might actually hesitate to build websites on WordPress is the fact that they have to buy a hosting platform, they have to buy a domain name and the likes. Necessarily, if you want to have a website on the internet, you must buy hosting platform, you must also buy domain name. And then for many people who want to learn how to design websites, one of the issues that they may face is the fact that they want a free testing environment, but they do not have the necessary resources. So in this video today, I will show you how you can forget about the cost and still test out your WordPress plugins, test out your WordPress themes, test out other resources and every iota of idea that you get on WordPress website. So just sit back and watch me perform all this magic for you. By the end of the video, you will be totally enlightened. So let us start right away. You are going to make use of a platform called InstaWP, and this is the platform that you will use to build and stage a WordPress website. Even if you are a website designer, there are times that you get idea, but you do not have a platform that you can try out your idea on. So this is the platform that you're going to make use of. All right. So I'm going to show you how to use this platform here. Just make sure you go to instawp.com. And when you get here, make sure you click on Get Started. So we click on Get Started, and this one is going to load for us. You can choose to continue with Google, which I am going to do. And if you like, you can use sign up with email, but for a faster result, I'm going to click on Continue with Google. All right. And I'm going to click on Continue. And after that, guys, I will be asked to insert my card number, but you do not have anything to worry about. Okay, so you're going to click on Upgrade Later. But if you know you have the fund with you, you can get started for free trial, and after 15 days you will be required to pay. But like I promised you in the beginning of this video, I told you it was going to be free. Okay, so you click on Upgrade Later. Part of the things you must note on this platform is the fact that any website you put here would actually be available for 7 days. So you have to keep that at the back of your mind. So the first thing I'm going to do after a successful registration is that you are going to click on Create Your First Staging Site. And this is where the excitement is, guys. So you can see the notice here. This site will be deleted in 7 days. So whoever you want to send the sample of the website to, you are free to send the link before the exhaustion of 7 days. All right, you can see that you have all the tools you virtually needed here. You have WordPress version 6.7.1, and that is the latest version as of the time of recording this video. You have the PHP version of 8, you have the server location US, and let me go straight onto it. So for the site name, you will not be able to edit this. All right, but you can downgrade the WordPress version if you like. Meanwhile, I'm going to leave my own like this, and the next thing I am going to do here is to click on Next Step and then Create Site. All right, let's go guys. And as you can see on the screen, we have the URL for the website here. We have the admin username and also the admin password. So what I'm going to do now is to open this link in another browser tab, and I am going to add WP admin so that we will be able to edit the website from the back end. Okay, so I'm going to click on continue to site. All right, so you can see here that we will be able to log in with our admin details. So you are going to come back here and copy this detail. Just make sure you put it here, and also copy this password and put it here. And then the next thing you hit is remember me, then you click on login. So voila, you're gonna have your WordPress dashboard. So congratulations guys. So at this very moment, this is the moment where you want to test out that particular theme that you love, that you have heard about. Okay, you can actually decide to use the themes on the WordPress repository. You can decide to upload a theme if you like. All right, but as for me, I am not going to upload any theme for now because of our time. I'm just going to try a theme that I have so much eyed. So I'm going to try out this theme, Colibri WP. So I'm going to install it and also activate. And also, if there is a particular plugin that you have so much heard about, this is the time you want to try it out. Okay, so I'm going to start with selected design here, and it is being activated. And guys, let us view our site to know how it looks. Okay, continue to site. And wow, this is the website. Can you see? Can you see something? So if you have a client that you want to show how the websites might likely look, this is the link you want to send to the client. And let me try this one on an incognito tab. So I'm going to paste it and let us have a view. Continue to site, and you are going to have it just like that. So with these guys, you have been able to successfully stage your WordPress website. And if this is a solution you want to use for your clients or for your own testing ability or even for your students, you can go ahead and use this method. And please try it out and let me know your thoughts on this particular tool. And if peradventure you are coming across my video for the very first time, welcome to iDigital Concepts, and I'd like you to subscribe onto this channel and also click on the like button, especially share this video so that it will benefit others.